Hey, it's Austin, data-driven marketer and agency owner. In this video, I want to tell you about the #1 campaign that we start every single ad account out with, why it works, how to build it yourself, and why it's led to millions of dollars for a lot of our clients. And if you haven't already yet, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Let's dive into it. Often when people are either A, starting an account, or B, taking over a pre-existing account, they don't know what to build immediately. So I want to get rid of the guesswork and walk you through the #1 campaign that we always make sure to build as soon as we dive into any account. Now, this campaign is called the Consolidated Ads Campaign. And so what we are going to include in this is all of our marketing and all of your prospecting. We want to essentially make the account as simple as possible from the beginning so that we can make sure that every single metric that comes in, we understand, and then from there, we can use that data to build out the entire account. But often, we actually see these campaigns hold up for months to years because of the fact that they are so solid in their targeting and they are the best place to test creatives. So they result in us making a lot more money by just keeping them running than turning them off. And one thing we always say here is don't fix something that isn't broken because there's no reason to. So the way to set up the Consolidated account is to go into the ads platform, click create new campaign, set to conversions. Once it's at conversions, make sure you're targeting purchase or add to cart or initiate checkout, whatever event you're really trying to push forward. After you do that, you're going to want to have 2 ad sets. One ad set is going to be prospecting. The other ad set is going to be remarketing. Now, the remarketing ad set should at the beginning just basically house all remarketing. It will have all visitors, Instagram users, Facebook interactions, add to cart, initiate checkout, basically everything that you would have for remarketing, including video views, including lead forms, all of it you want in the remarketing campaign. Then in the prospecting campaign, you want to add the lookalikes of all of these successful events that you have. Purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart, 5 times page view, 21 days, everything like that you want in the prospecting ad set. Once you have those 2 ad sets actually set up, that's when you start to test different creatives, because the first objective, besides getting 50 conversions per ad set, which using the consolidated method, it makes it a lot easier, we want to make sure that we can test and create solidified creatives that we know will work time and time again as we start to scale out and build out this campaign. At the beginning, it may look very simple, as you can see on the screen right now, but in time, it becomes something that is so worth it because it allows you to not only test creatives, but also make sure that you get the 50 conversions a week, which then will allow you to actually optimize and scale your ad sets. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos come out like this in the future, and let us know your thoughts on a consolidated account and what you do as soon as you either take over an account or you're starting a brand new account. Look forward to seeing you in a video soon.